Hello, Rising Star. We're in our Piano Adventure series. We are in our performance book, and we are in the primer level. Today we are going to learn School Bell is Ringing. Now, where we're at, school just started not too long ago. So this is a song that's going to introduce a new note, and it is the dotted half note. It's a white note, a half note, with a dot next to it. And that note gets 3 counts. So we're going to say banana when it comes to this note. So we've got beets and bananas in this one. So why don't we just, because we have a new note, let's do our rhythm pattern first. So it is going to sound like this. And let's just clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Beat, 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 banana, 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 beat, 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 banana. Okay, let's start with our solfege. 1, 2, 3. Sol, fa, mi, re, do, re. Sol, 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 la, ti, do. Okay, let's go through and play the letter names. And we have the same hand position as in a song about cats. Our right hand thumb is on middle C, left hand thumb is on pink, and it's on B. Red, pink. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. G, F, E, F, E, D, E, D, C, D, G, 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 A, B, C. Okay, let's do that again. We do have a repeat mark, so let's play through it 2 more times. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. G, F, E, F, E, D, E, D, C, D, G, 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 A, B, C, G, F, E, F, E, D, E, D, C, D, G, 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 A, B, C. Okay, now you are going to play the duet with me. And you're going to move from here to up here. See, your right hand thumb is on the red C, and your left hand thumb is on the pink B. So you're going to play right here, and I am going to play down here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. That's a really pretty song. How did you do?